Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office, and as you can see I have a box of goodies from Jordan Essentials that just arrived, and I'm excited to open them and share what's inside. So welcome to my office. So this is a box I ordered recently, and in it I have a couple of things. So first of all, I have the new Mother's Day special item, which we will open in just a moment and take a look at that. I also had these nail serums that were on special, so I think I have two of those down in here. So these are not in our regular catalog, but they were on special for 1 week only, and I'm really excited to try them in the new dropper bottle, so that'll be good. We've had nail serum before in a Joyful Jordan box, but it is not in our regular catalog currently, so I'm always excited when I can restock my nail serum. And then of course, because my order was up to the $50 mark, I was able to get the customer special for March, which is the frankincense skin relief. Now this will be going away at the end of March, so when you're watching this in April, you'll no longer be able to get the frankincense skin relief. You can, however, always get the regular skin relief, which is in our catalog, but the one with the added frankincense was a special just for March for the customer special. And any customer special each month is one item that the company selects ahead of time. And when you make a $50 or more order, then you can add that item to your order for $5. So it's usually a great deal on the product, and a lot of times it's an exclusive item like that. And the final thing in here is my April Joyful Jordan box, and this was something I got to order for free because I earned it with the Green by 15 program that they offer. So as a consultant, if I have $500 in sales by the 15th of the month, then I get to order the next month's Joyful Jordan box for free, and I get it shipped to me early. So let me set this aside and we can take a peek at what's in the April Joyful Jordan box. So each Joyful Jordan box is a $29 box, but it'll have at least $39 worth of product, and the box can be ordered as a subscription where you get it shipped to you automatically each month. When you sign up for the subscription, then you also earn free shipping, so each time it ships out, your card will run for the price of the box plus tax, but there will be no cost for shipping, so that's exciting. Or you can also just purchase the box one time and kind of see what it's all about, or get multiples if you want to do that. And I even have a customer who has a gift subscription going where each month she sends her Joyful Jordan box to a different person. So she's always listening to her friends and family, and if she decides a person needs a little boost that month, then when her box is getting ready to ship out, she'll just change the shipping address for that month and it blesses a different person. So I think that's pretty cool as well. So inside the box, again, this is for April. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And inside this little box of awesomeness, we're going to have, a fun collection. So this is a good one. Once a year for the last several years, we've had this collection of products or some variation of it. So the card that comes in the box, and each box will come with a card like this. On one side, it'll have a beautiful image with a quote or some sort of a saying. This quote says, "Spring is proof that there is beauty in new things." And then on the back of the card, it'll tell us about what comes in that box. So this is our exclusive, non-toxic, botanically based bug away product line. And also we have the After Bug Bite Calming Stick. So let me set this aside. We'll start out with the full-size bug away spray. And our collection of bug away products uses oil of lemon eucalyptus and peppermint. And so this is deet-free, aloe enriched, and alcohol-free bug repellent. It's great for any outdoor adventure. Oil of lemon eucalyptus is the perfect, healthy, and non-toxic DEET alternative. And so I've gotten multiples every year because I keep one bottle in my car, one bottle, I usually keep the little small travel bottle in my purse, and that way if I just happen to be out and about and I'm getting pestered by some mosquitoes or little flying bugs, then I'll spritz that around. In our little community, we often have outdoor events through the summer months, and so I make sure I always have one with me. And then I also keep one by the back door, and so if the kids are just heading outside to play, I'll make sure to remind them to do a little spritz on their ankles. Or if I'm going into the yard to work on flower beds and things like that, then it'll remind me to spray my ankles and any exposed skin as well. So I love it, and I also love it because it doesn't smell really toxic and full of chemicals because it's just the natural oil of lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint. It has a fresh, natural smell to it. It smells a little bit lemony, but it really works great. I have found it really does help keep all the little flying bugs away. And then the final thing in here is our after bug bite calming stick. And so if you do happen to forget your bug spray and you get a bug bite, this works really well also. And we keep these on hand. Like, I stock up when this box comes around each year. I stock up because I want to make sure I have all of these products on hand through the rest of the year. So this has lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils. And it says, soothe the itching and inflammation that comes from pesky bug bites. Magnesium, lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils will leave your skin feeling cooled and calmed. And I like using these even for things like burns in the kitchen. Like, I burned myself at the oven this morning, so I put either after bug bite calming stick on it, or our Boo Boo stick is another good one that I just like to keep both of them on hand because they work really good. My dad has even gotten a spider bite and used it on a spider bite, and it healed up really well, never got inflamed or infected or anything, and just was good at soothing, the irritation from the spider bite. So definitely want to get these stocked up. If you have not tried our natural bug away products, then this would be a great chance to try this box out and get all these products so you're stocked up for the summer. And like I said, if you're heading out to the ball games, if you're doing picnics, if you're out at the river or going to, the pool or anything like that, then this is a really good collection to have on hand. So I will put the links down below for all the information about our Joyful Jordan box, and you can hop on my website and get yours ordered starting April 1st. And these will be available through the end of April, April 30th, 2022. And after that, they go away. And the only chance to get any bug away products is if by chance they put them on special at some point, but we won't ever know that ahead of time. It'll just be one thing that kind of comes up, like our weekly wow special. So setting that aside, I do want to share one other thing, and I just wanted to show you what comes in our special Mother's Day gift item here. So last week, Nancy Bogart, the owner of Jordan Essentials, did a really fun class over on our Facebook business page, and I can link that below as well. And she does these classes once a month, and they're usually just some kind of different, interesting topic. She is really fun and creative and does a great job with gifting and using Jordan Essentials products along with some other items for fun gift ideas. So that's what the spring class was about in March. So this box is a special that came from that class. And it is, the box itself says Hope, Love, Joy. So that's going to be a really nice box to wrap and gift to someone. And the candle is our Hope Aromatherapy candle with the lemon, lavender, and rosemary essential oils. Of course, lemon is uplifting and brightening. Lavender is calming and soothing. And then rosemary is rejuvenating or refreshing or renewing. So the combination of those three essential oils is what we call our Hope Essential Oil Blend. And it is a non-GMO soy wax, so it's going to have a clean, healthy burn. It's an organic cotton wick, and these candles burn for about 40 hours. So we do have these candles in our regular catalog. However, the special Mother's Day candle, when your recipient goes to open it and smell the candle, they are going to find a really lovely extra bonus item inside the candle. So this is something that is exclusive to this Mother's Day candle. It is limited edition, and when they sell out, they are gone. They won't have any more available. And it is this beautiful necklace. So this is going to have this really pretty charm on it. It has a little sunburst and a little turquoise jewel on there as well with the wreath. And this has a lovely chain on it. So this is something that I'm looking forward to probably gifting to my mom. I think anyone who's a mother to you, like a mother figure to you, a friend, an aunt, it could be your mom or your grandma. I just think this is really fun. It could just be a friend that you want to give them something special. These candles with the necklace included are $50, and you can order them, like I said, until the necklaces run out, and then they won't be available anymore. but that is our current Mother's Day special for 2022. So those are some of the fun items that came in my little box of goodies from Jordan Essentials today. Hopefully that was a good chance for you to see not only our Joyful Jordan box, but just an idea of some of the other products that we have from time to time or in our regular catalog. So thanks for joining me today. Like I mentioned, I'll put all the shopping information in the description down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.